Welcome to Natural Nostrums. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of natural remedies, specifically focusing on the benefits of rubbing ginger on your skin. Ginger, a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, has been celebrated for centuries in traditional medicine. It can help improve circulation, reduce blemishes, and even promote a radiant complexion. Imagine harnessing the power of this humble root to enhance your skin health. In this video, we'll explore how ginger can be a game changer in your skincare routine. So, if you're curious about natural ways to rejuvenate your skin and want to learn more about this incredible ingredient, stick around. Ginger, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, is a flowering plant native to Southeast Asia, renowned for its culinary and medicinal properties. Historically, ginger has been used in various cultures, from ancient Chinese medicine to Ayurvedic practices in India, where it was valued for its ability to treat ailments and promote overall wellness. The active compounds in ginger, such as gingerol and shogaol, are known for their potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making them beneficial for skin health. These compounds help combat free radicals, reduce redness, and improve circulation, leading to a more vibrant complexion. Join us as we uncover more about ginger's remarkable role in skincare throughout history. Rubbing ginger on your skin offers a multitude of benefits that can enhance your overall complexion. One of the key advantages is its ability to improve circulation, which promotes a healthy glow and revitalizes tired skin. Ginger is rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to reduce redness and irritation while protecting against environmental damage. This makes it particularly effective for conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis, where inflammation plays a significant role. Additionally, ginger can help fade dark spots and blemishes, leading to a more even skin tone. By incorporating ginger into your skincare routine, you can harness its natural healing powers for healthier, more radiant skin. To prepare ginger for topical use, you'll need fresh ginger root, a grater or blender, a fine strainer or cheesecloth, and a small bowl for mixing. Start by peeling the ginger root and then grate it finely, or blend it with a little water to create a smooth paste. If you're making ginger juice, simply strain the mixture through the fine strainer or cheesecloth to extract the liquid. For a ginger paste, you can mix the grated ginger with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil to enhance its skin benefits. Always perform a patch test on a small area of skin to ensure there's no irritation before applying it more broadly. When applying ginger to your skin, there are several effective techniques to consider. You can use your fingertips to gently massage ginger paste or oil onto clean skin, focusing on areas that need extra attention. Alternatively, you can apply it using a cotton ball or pad for a more controlled application. Before you proceed, it's crucial to perform a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any adverse reactions. For optimal results, consider applying ginger 2 to 3 times a week, allowing your skin to absorb its benefits without overwhelming it. Remember to follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated and nourished. While ginger is generally safe for most people, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Common allergic reactions may include redness, itching, or a burning sensation on the skin. If you have sensitive skin or a history of allergies, it's especially crucial to perform a patch test before full application. If you experience any irritation, discontinue use immediately and wash the area with mild soap and water. For persistent irritation, or if you're unsure about using ginger on your skin, consulting a dermatologist is highly recommended. They can provide personalized advice and help you determine the best course of action for your skin type and concerns. In summary, ginger is a remarkable natural remedy that offers numerous benefits for skin health, including improved circulation, anti-inflammatory properties, and the potential to alleviate various skin conditions. By incorporating ginger into your skincare routine, you can harness its healing powers for a more radiant complexion. We encourage you to try using ginger safely and share your experiences with us in the comments below. Your feedback can inspire others on their skincare journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and explore more of our content for additional tips and natural remedies. Thank you for watching, and take care of your skin.